Welcome back. Now, it's possible that you may want to add in a webinar along with a specific product when the customer buys. If that's the case, you're going to need to do it through the integrations in WarriorPlus. The first thing you're going to do is to integrate a webinar system. And you can do that through your account. What you're going to do here is you're going to click on integrations and you're going to click on new service. Now, these are the services that are available to you to add in direct integration. Now, you can add other webinar systems outside of these integrations using Zapier. However, if you have GoToWebinar, you can have an individual added to your GoToWebinar when they make a purchase of your product in WarriorPlus. You're going to want to set up a webinar and give it a specific name inside of your GoToWebinar account. What you're then going to do is add a new service. What you're then going to do is you're going to add GoToWebinar. WarriorPlus will take you to automatically log into your GoToWebinar account. You're then going to want to give your GoToWebinar a specific name so that you'll be able to see it inside of your product. You're then going to click Save. You're then going to go to the specific product that you're going to add the webinar to. You're going to come down to the integrations and tracking. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a new connection in the service. You're then going to select your service. And you're going to see the name that you just created. We're going to click that service. Then WarriorPlus is going to look inside of your GoToWebinar account. You are then going to select a specific webinar from within your GoToWebinar account. You're going to select the webinar you just created and then click Save. You'll then save this webinar to your product. And what you have done now is you've made it so that when an individual makes a purchase of this product, they are automatically going to be added to the specific GoToWebinar session that you have created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.